In this video, you're going to learn how to display the most recent linked record data back to the parent table. Imagine you're an online retailer where your Airtable base has a customers table and an orders table, and you want a field in the customers table that displays the value of the most recent order. Here's how you do it. Step 1. In the customers table, roll up the date field of the orders table using the formula max values. We'll call this field most recent order date. It'll be type rollup. We're looking up that order date, and in this section here, aggregation formula, which rolls up the values in each linked record, we're going to use max values. Step 2, establish a lookup field in the orders table that displays the formula from step 1. So select the orders table over here, find the link, click add lookup fields, and bring in that most recent order date. There you go. Step 3, create a formula field that returns true if the date from the lookup field equals the date of the order record itself. So we're going to call this is most recent question mark. Type formula, and we're going to use an if statement. So if most recent date from customers equals the order date, then return true. Now for the fourth and final step, we're going to go back to the customers table, create a new rollup field, and call this most recent order value. And this is what we're looking for. It's going to be another rollup field to the orders table where we're looking for that order value number. This time, we're going to select to only include records from the orders table that meet certain conditions. And that condition is going to be where the is most recent formula that we just created in step 3 contains true. And in this case, we'll use the formula max values. Boom. There you go. John Smith's most recent order, 75.52. Sally Jones, 95.76. Robert Monroe, $9,584. And that's it. This is Max Bernstein with Industry Automations. I hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.